In this video, I'll be showing you how to create dependencies between your project activities. Here I am at my project's Kanban board. In order to create the dependencies, I need to switch over to my calendar view. And I just click on this icon on my top menu. So here we have the calendar view of our project showing all of the activities and their date on a calendar background. In order to create the dependency between activities, for example, if I do not want to start my contract negotiation step until the vendor selection is complete, I simply hover my mouse over the end of the vendor selection bar, click and drag down to the contract negotiation. And now it's created a date dependency between those two activities. So if I take vendor selection and push that out a week, it's also going to push out contract negotiation. And I can create dependencies between as many of the activities as I wish on this view. If I want to remove a dependency, it's simply a matter of double-clicking on the head of the arrow and clicking on delete. Now, one thing to note, if I do have a dependency in place, so I'll come back here, I'll add that dependency back in. If I have a dependency in place, it's going to prevent me from changing dates on the card view. So if we look at here at vendor selection, if I come back into my Kanban card view and I'll click on the edit icon, card info, and you'll see here it's blocked out the dates and it's giving me a little note. This card has dependencies with other cards, modify dates in the calendar view. Now, if I need to go and I want to change those dates, I can just click on View Dependencies and it opens up the calendar view and highlights the dependency that I selected. And there we go. And that's showing me the dependency. So now if I want to make a change, I could, for example, come in here and shorten that item and maybe even change this item as well. There you go. Hope you found that useful.